People are turning to AI for just about everything, including questions about their own health. A new report from OpenAI shows that 40 million people around the world are turning to ChatGPT for healthcare information. The questions range from simple inquiries about medical bills to more serious questions about symptoms and treatment options. Jackie, we could talk about this for hours.
All day, and I do it every day. After having cancer, I have a lot more medical questions on a daily basis than I ever used to. It's just where my head is. So I'm constantly having thoughts. I plug them into ChatGPT, and honestly, a lot of the answers have been really good. I've learned a lot. I'll use it as a first pass to check symptoms of something. I'm not saying ChatGPT in any way replaces a doctor, but I always say when you do have a medical issue, you should be informed about it yourself. Yeah. That way, when you do speak to the doctor, you know what questions to ask, you know where to dig deeper. You can even raise issues that the doctor may not raise. So I'm a big fan of this. Anything in the medical field that AI or is helping, I think is positive.
I totally agree with that. I had prostate cancer surgery in June. And before I did, I went on ChatGPT to look at various options. Should we do surgery or do radiation or various things? And I found it very helpful, very educational, helped me prepare questions to ask my doctors. And there was an ongoing dispute about what my insurance company would or would not pay, and I did write an appeal letter, and that was extremely helpful, writing about an 8-page letter that looked like something I'd, I'm not a doctor, but I was able to present some pretty solid medical information to my insurance company.
Wow. You are your best advocate, and very often doctors are not great. So interrogate that bot.
Absolutely.
And demand good answers and good research. That does it for us. More on this, because this is fascinating to all of us.